Hi, I am Sanjeev Pandey and I am a life coach. Prior to this, I was a civil servant and I worked with Government of India for about 17 years before resigning in December 2011. You can read about my journey from a civil servant to a life coach on my website under My Story. We are living in the times of coronavirus or COVID-19. This disease, if gets complicated, hits the lungs. So today, the technique which we are going to discuss is about deep breathing, which makes the lungs healthier and stronger. I hope you have read my blog where I have explained the mechanism of deep breathing from various perspectives. 99% of people on this planet are shallow breathers. Shallow breathing means when you inhale, only the upper lobe or at the most the middle lobe of the lungs is getting inflated. That means the entire capacity of your lungs is not being utilized. You can test this very easily. Set 1 minute timer in your mobile and count the number of breaths. One breath would be one inhalation and one exhalation combined. So if the number of breath is more than 12, you are a shallow breather. Now as compared to this, when you deep breathe, the entire lung gets inflated. The lower lobe of the lung pushes the diaphragm. Diaphragm is a thin muscle layer which separates lungs and heart from the lower abdominal organs. Now, when the diaphragm is pushed, it in turn pushes the stomach out. So, the proof of deep breathing is when you inhale, the stomach must protrude out. Now, let us learn the technique. For this, you have to sit straight. This is the rib cage, triangle made by the rib cage. This is the stomach. Keep your hands like this. Press a bit, bend 35 to 45 degrees. Take 4 to 5 breaths. Then get up. 1 or 2 breaths normal and then again bend. 4 to 5 breaths in the bent position. Here you have to be careful not to do any forceful breathing. Don't exert any pressure. Again get up, take couple of breaths and then again bend. 4 to 5 breaths in the bent position and then get up. That's it. This is one set. So for optimum results, you need to do these sets at least 4 to 5 times in a day. If you are very busy and short of time, do at least twice. Once in the morning when you get up and once just before going to bed. Efficacy of this technique can be proved very easily. Most of us are having oximeters at home these days. So take your reading and then do 2 or 3 sets of this technique which I just explained and then take reading once again. Your oxygen saturation level in the blood would be higher. Apart from the medical or therapeutic advantages, there are psychological and spiritual advantages of deep breathing also. With practice and within a reasonable period, you are able to manage your anger, your fears, your undue attachments. Basically, with deep breathing, your primary emotions are balanced. So friends, learn it, practice it and reap the benefits. If you have any questions about this technique, you can reach me on my website. I would be happy to respond. Thank you. Bye-bye.